Hey there, so good to see you once again. Previously, in the previous episode, we taught more of 5 apps where you would be able to sell your items and increase your income, making a couple of dollars for yourself. And in this new episode, we are here to give you sites where you would list your products and start to make a couple of dollars, 1,000, 10,000, 20,000. This is Magic Kevin. Thanks for watching. First things first, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell that you don't miss out any of. Yes, today I'm here to elevate you from a low status into an income earner status. If you want to sell your items, no matter where you are, let's say you're in the USA, let's go with the USA first. First place you would like to list your items is the Amazon. Amazon is a great place where you could list your items. You could list sneakers, electronics, mobile phones, smartphones, trainers, tummy trimmer, slimming tea, name it, etc. Number two is the eBay. eBay is such a great place where you would list used items that you're no longer interested into, new or used. Outside there are people who are willing to buy your item as long as it's genuine and is still in contact. Very good to use. So eBay would be my number two, where you would make a couple of thousands of dollars for yourself without leaving the comfort of your seat. And number three, I would go with Alibaba. Alibaba originates from China, but of course, with a lot of investment in the USA, Alibaba has a space for you to vend your items. For example, you can vend coffee, milkshakers, name it, mobile phones. It's a B2B, business to business, but still you will be allowed to vend items. Let's say you are a retailer and you have few items, you would still use AliExpress. AliExpress is under the family of Alibaba, so making you to make a couple of dollars without leaving the comfort of your seat. Number four, I'll go with Eats. It's a website where you can list your art piece. I know outside there are a lot of artists who are passionate about making art, but also there are a lot of people who would like to make income through their work. So if you like to sell your art piece, your item, wooden images, paintings, handmade crafts, name it, so it would be a great place for you. Although they would charge you 1%, but that is on every sale, so you don't need to worry. So every time you make a sale, they only charge you 1%, but it's a great place, a great market where you'll be able to sell your items. All right, with all that, we have noted that if you want to make a couple of thousands of dollars, if you're in the USA or you are the other side, and you still own a US account, you'd be able to transact and be able to make sales. Here are also other websites where you would sell your items if you are in Africa. For example, let's say if you're in Nigeria, Jumia is a great place where you'd be able to become a vendor, upload your products, images, etc. Then start to make a lot of money, make 1,000 nairas in minutes, name it. And then the other would be Gigi Nigeria. Gigi Nigeria is also a great place where you'd be able to make sales and a living. We have Paypot. Paypot is a great place in Nigeria. It's a website where it allows you to be able to make purchases and sales online. So if we move down to Kenya, places where you'll be able to sell your items, we have Gigi Kenya, we have Kilimall, we have Jumia. All these platforms, they are here to help you earn minus leaving the comfort of your place. Don't worry about taxes, because these are companies. They have to hold, they hold all the taxes, commission, etc., and they have to just give you the payments at the end of the day. No need to have a license. You won't be in trouble with the government, name it, and you make a couple of dollars minus leaving your comfort zone. In Uganda still, with Gigi, Jumia, all these platforms, they're here to make your earnings grow, to make your income grow. And let me be able to share with you a couple of items. Let's say if you want to sell on Jumia basically they don't allow used items. It has to be brand new, good quality item. Let's say you have Nikes and they're brand new, you'll be able to transact your Nike on Jumia. But when it comes to Gigi, it's a platform that enables you to sell used and new products. For example, let me show you. This is a Nike, it's a brand new Nike, as you can see. So if I do list it on Gigi, I'll still get clients. I'll still make a couple of money, and it will go like for $50. Let's say I bought it $35. Then the other item would be a used item. Let's say you have a flat iron, you no longer in use of it, you see it's old, but you no longer use it, but and you want to get rid of it, you can still make money selling it to someone who wants a used flat iron. Yeah, with all of that, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share the video, turn on your notification bell, and keep in the building. Let's grow our income. Let's make a couple of dollars minus leaving our comfort zone. Thank you for watching. God bless you.